Friends, hundreds and thousands of opportunities are knocking your door. But are you ready to grab those technological job roles in coming years of time? Do you want to occupy the corporate jobs? If so, please listen to the next content of our video very carefully. Hello friends, I am Sanjay Pavade. Welcome to our YouTube channel Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Skill Development Center, College of Engineering and Management, Jalgaon, Maharashtra. Friends, in this video, we shall see what is data science and what are the career opportunities in data science and how we can grab the multiple career opportunities in various job roles under data science and analytics field. Friends, over the years, data is constantly being generated by way of multiple activities, operations and actions in various data intensive sectors. Every day the humans are producing 2.5 quintillion bytes of data through the emails, tweets, posts and videos on internet traffic. The various data intensive sectors are e-commerce, m-commerce, banking, defense, energy, medical, engineering, automotive, research, transportation, space research, drug discovery, design, biotechnology and education. Today, because of the introduction of Internet of Things, it is playing very critical role in capturing the real-time data in all above fields. There are primary contributors to this data explosion are the number of devices which are being connected to the IoT and the devices connected through the social media on the internet. Since 2018, 7 billion global devices are connected through IoT, which is producing enormous data. They are going to rise from 7 billion devices to 21 billion devices by 2030, which is a very enormous data generating action. The corporate businesses can be successful if they can manufacture meaningful information by way of data digitalization, data storage, data conditioning and data processing. Data science today is being utilized by all businesses that want to utilize this data to build models that will help them to grow their businesses by understanding the trends, buyers' choices and emerging patterns. Field of data science involves statistics, mathematics, computer science, information science, artificial intelligence, machine learning and deep learning. That's why this field is a multidisciplinary science. The trained and skilled human resource is needed badly in the field of data science. Since December 2018, the field of data science has achieved the strategic growth of 214%, which is very tremendous. As companies almost every industry are looking to acquire skilled and qualified talent who can navigate through everyday issues with innovative and right solutions, the supply of skilled professionals is far less than the demand. Data science will add $957 billion to the Indian economy by 2025. Companies are upgrading their traditional way of working to data-driven decisions. As the number of organizations opting for big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence are increasing, the demand for qualified data scientists is increasing as well. Data science is opening up a vast number of opportunities in the field that will boom in 2025. The job roles are data scientist, data analyst, machine learning specialist, business intelligence developer, data engineer, data architect, infrastructure architect and statistician. However, how can I progress my career and grab these wonderful opportunities which are waiting at your doorstep? Friends, you may be knowing the conventional degree programs like BCA, BSc, BE BTech and Diploma, which normally give the education in software or computer science or computer applications. However, a lot amount of skill shortage and skill crisis which is being faced by various IT employers, particularly in the field of data science. This fact is that there is a skill crisis is proven through one graduate employability survey which was conducted in 2018. This survey tells us nearly 70% of the computer science engineering graduates, they are not fit for any kind of employment. The 70% unfitness of the fresh graduates to grab the corporate opportunities is being seen in the structure of the conventional degree programs. The conventional degree programs offer 80% theory and 20% practicals in general. The IIT industry also sees that the curriculum of these degree programs are highly obsolete and outdated outdated. The conventional degree programs don't engage the students in industry trainings, internships and live industry projects, which is also creating the skill crisis. Another important factor which is missing in these degree programs is lack of 21st century employability skills. Hence, it's an urgent need that we shift our mindset from the knowledge oriented education to the skill oriented education. Thanks to the All India Council for Technical Education, Government of India, that they launched the Skill Engineering Bachelor of Vocation program in Data Science in 2018. Friends, this is a 3-year skill engineering program which is approved by AICTE New Delhi, Government of India. It is approved by Maharashtra State Government and it is affiliated to Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar Technological University, Lonere. The main feature of this skill engineering BVOC degree program in data science is that its structure is 80% practicals, industry training and 20% theory. So friends, you can see the kind of stress it lays on industry trainings and building the skills. The platforms, tools and languages which you will learn through the hands-on are cloud computing, Prolog, Python, Java, R language, artificial intelligence, the tool called as Anaconda, Power BI, Tableau, Hadoop, SPSS and the databases called as MySQL, Oracle and SQL. Friends, the curriculum of the Bachelor of Vocation in Data Science program is developed under the guidelines of National Skill Development Corporation and the experienced corporate leaders. The feature of this program is on-job training in every semester on specialized job roles. The job roles on which you will undertake the industry trainings are highly demanded in data science and IT industry. They are typically technical writer, junior software developer, junior data associate, AI data engineer, AI data quality analyst and associate analytics. Another beauty of this program is multi-certifications. In case of Bachelor of Vocation in Data Science, you will get multiple certifications, like if you pass the first year of this program, you will get Diploma in Data Science. When you pass the second year of the degree course, you will get Advanced Diploma in Data Science. And if you pass the third year of this degree course, you will get the degree in Data Science. The very important part of the program is that it lays great stress on building the 21st century employability skills which are highly required to become a successful data scientist. So the skills which the curriculum covers are logical reasoning, problem solving ability, algorithm development, lifelong learning ability, programming skills, willingness to change, testing skills, design skills, communication skills, documentation skills, reporting skills, team and time management skills, event management skills, leadership skills and very important entrepreneurship skills. This program is an industry sandwich degree course. 40% of the time for every semester you have to spend with the industries. The industry partners, they play vital role in building the technical skills among the data science students. The industry partners for this degree program with us are NASSCOM Sector Skill Council, Seed Infotech Pune, Felix IT Pune, Shuksham Technologies Pune, Chintan Info Solutions Mumbai and Pragati Software Limited Mumbai. Friends, there will be a question in your mind that what are the opportunities which I shall get after passing out this degree program? You not only get the technical skills through the industry trainings and hands-on tools, but you also get the 21st century employability skills which make you eligible to fetch the best corporate job roles by this program. As a data analyst profession, you will grab jobs on different job roles in technology industries, corporate industries, FinServ industries, pharma industries. Friends, if you want to undertake the government jobs, you can very well do it after completing the bachelor's degree program in data science. If you have a dream to become the class 1 officer, then you can always appear for public service commissions exams. If you wish to go for higher education, then you are free to go for Master of Business Administration or MVOC course or MS program in data science and analytics within the India and outside the India in the eminent universities. This program will give you the best skills which are required for a successful entrepreneur. So this program is a package of technical skills and 21st century employability skills. Join this program without any delay if you really dream to go into the fields of data science and analytics in next 3 years. Friends, if you are a 10+2 student or a ITI student or you have passed diploma in engineering, then you are most eligible to join this degree program. You can get all the relevant information about this program on our webpage www.dksdc.org. Friends, If you want to get updates on technology and skill development arena, then I request you to please subscribe, share and like our YouTube channel KC Society's Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Skill Development Center, Jalgaon. Thank you so much. Wish you a successful career ahead.